Hey, what's up everybody? It's Weston back again. Let me show you why Reebok got a lot of my money last month. Stay tuned, you're not going to want to miss this. In addition to the BBC ice cream Reeboks that I picked up last month, I also copped this massive Tom and Jerry sneaker kit from Reebok in bait. So I have a soft spot for these novelty character design shoes. So when I saw these, I knew I had to cop. This pack retailed for $300 and comes with a bonus t-shirt. Unfortunately, it is only available in an extra large. So first up, we have the Reebok Instapump Fury, which is inspired by the character Tom. As you can see already, that concept shines through. I think it's the pinnacle of sneaker design when a character or a concept can shine through in a collaboration instantly. And these Reeboks are no exception. I mean, the Fury looks like Tom with its faux fur upper, yellow accents for his eyes, and they even used a bulkier silhouette. I don't know, so far this might be my favorite out of the collection. But we'll hold off. Let's get to these Revenge Cs. And here we have the Revenge Club C, inspired by Jerry, which sports a rough suede exterior to resemble the mouse's hairy exterior, and of course the pink accents that highlight the inside of his ears, and a yellow translucent outsole that represents Jerry's favorite food, cheese. Man, these got a lot of good details in these. It's gonna be hard to choose which one I like more out of these two. Now, once again, this pack did come with a Reebok Crossbait t-shirt. It's a dope shirt. I just wish they came in like a large or a medium. I could have made a large work. A medium probably would have been my size, but I could have definitely made a large work. I don't know why the extra large size was decided to be the universal size. They don't even make shirts that big over in Japan like that. Oh well, whatever. With that being said, let's see what they look like on foot. All right. Now this is for display purposes only. I mean, unless that's your thing. Me personally, not really my thing. I just think it looks kind of interesting together to kind of see the comparison between the Tom and Jerry of the pack. So you can't mix match the sizes of the shoes. I got a 9.5 in the pack, which means I got 9.5 in both shoes. The Instapump is a slightly bigger in the forefront, but the pump action seems to secure the shoe around the foot. For the Revenge Club C's, perfect fit, true to size, great casual aesthetic. Man, they just, I don't know, this one might be my favorite out of the pack. Obviously, I'm too young to have watched the original Tom and Jerry when they were in syndication back in the 1940s. But thanks to reruns, Cartoon Network, and Boomerang, the timeless antics of Tom and Jerry definitely made their mark on my childhood. And going back into the details, take a look at the insoles of the shoe. And the little marks, the cartoon marks and bandages, Jerry and Tom fighting from every episode. Those little aesthetics matter so much whenever it comes to a collaboration like this, because you take two cartoon icons that did a great job with translating so well in the materials that these little accents just push it over the top, because the collab could have just been the materials and the textures, which would have been fine. But those added nuances make this collaboration so much better. So bravo Reebok, excellent choice of colors, textures, and silhouettes to create an A1 collaboration. On that note, I'm gonna go ahead and bring this video to a close. If you made it all the way through, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if it's your first time here. Hit that like button if you liked the video, and if you really liked it, go ahead and share it with a friend, all right? And keep checking back with me because I got new videos dropping soon. Did you know Tom and Jerry goes all the way back to the 1940s? I didn't. All right, until next time. Peace.